Hello everyone, welcome back. In last session of Digital VLSI, we have studied about the CMOS inverter. In today's session, we are going to study about NAND gate using CMOS. So, here we can see a CMOS NAND gate. Okay, so a CMOS NAND gate consists of two serial NMOS transistors between Y and ground, that is a VCC and ground, and two parallel PMOS transistor between Y and VDD. So if either input, now here we can see this is Y, which is output, this is ground, and here it is VDD. So there are two PMOS transistors which are in parallel, and there are two NMOS transistors which are connected in series, and this A and B are the input of the CMOS NAND gate. Now, if the input A or B is 0, at least one of the NMOS transistor will be off, breaking the path from Y to ground. But at least one of the PMOS transistor will be on, creating the path for Y to VDD. Hence, the output will be 1. So now, for the condition when the input is 0, what happens is when at least one of the inputs, say suppose we are giving 0 and 1, then one of the input is 0. So what happens is that here one of the NMOS transistor will be off. Hence there will be no connection with the ground. But what happens at the same time is that PMOS will be on, and so it will make the path towards Y. That is why we get the positive 1 output. That is, the output will be 1. Now if both the inputs are 1 if both the inputs are 1, both the NMOS transistor will be on and both the PMOS transistor will be off. Hence the output will be 0. So here when both A and B will be 1, what happens is that PMOS will be off. Here this will be 0, this will be 0, this will be in off condition, and the NMOS will be on. That is, it will be a pull down and it will be connected to the ground. That is why the output of this condition, for 1-1 condition, it will be 0s. And we know that for AND gate, what is the output? Only for 1-1 it is 1, and for all other conditions it is 0. And opposite to that, for NAND gate, what will happen is, for NAND gate 1-1 will give us 0 and all other conditions will give us 1. Now we will see how is the truth table. So the truth table is given in table 1.2 and the symbol is shown in figure 1.11b. Note that the De Morgan's law, the inversion bubble may be placed on either side of the gate. In the figure in this book, two lines intersecting at a T junction are connected. Now, so this is the truth table of NAND gate. Here we have 0, 0, the pull down. Pull down means this one. This one will be off. Pull down network is off. Pull up network is on. So that is why we get Y as 1, because pull up network is connected to VDD. That is why we get 1. For 0, 1, pull down will be off. Again pull up network will be on, and we will get 1 as the output. For condition 1 and 0, pull down network is off, pull up network is on, again we get 1. Now for 1-1 condition, what happens is pull down network, that means that NMOS will be on. So NMOS will be on, pull up network will be off, because both of the PMOS will be off, and that is why we get the answer as 0. So this is how we can design the CMOS NAND gate.